Come with me to check on my neighbor's foster kitties. There's 3 kittens, Mezzy, Nita, and Tiki. She left the best instructions for me and my other neighbors who are coming to check on them. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. That's Mezzy. He got right in. That one is Nita. That one's Tiki. Tiki's a little bit shy, but she came around pretty quick. They are so adorable. They're so playful. This one, Nita, is a huge cuddler. She was basically wanting to be on my lap or playing the whole time. They all ate pretty well, but they had vaccines yesterday, so they're not as hungry as normal. Oh, hi. Lizzie's funny. He seems like a big eater. Oh, big yawn for Tiki. They love this toy. See, she's always coming up, wanting pets and love. Sweet Tiki. You're so pretty. Oh my gosh, and they were playing. They were so funny. Mezzy does this little thing with his mouth. That is like so cute. Oh, I must have missed it. They kept wanting to sniff me. It was so funny. Hi, little Mezzy. I'm sure you can hear the toys in the background that they're playing right now. They're so cute. Lots of grooming done, of course. They all went potty. And I think they're gonna rest now.